Children, let's try to find the meanings of some difficult words from the lesson. Determined, having made a firm decision. Gruff, rough, hard. Cloak, a loose outer piece of clothing, fastened at neck. Linnet, a bird. Perfume, pleasant smell. Casement, a window. Crept in, moved slowly and carefully. Now please answer my questions. How was the garden? It was a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. Where had the giant been for 7 years? The giant had been to visit his friend, the Cornish ogre. He stayed with him for 7 years. Who were pleased to be in the giant's garden? Snow and Frost were pleased to be in the giant's garden. Why was the little boy crying bitterly? The little boy was crying bitterly as he could not reach up to the branches of the tree. What do you prefer, summer or winter? Why? I prefer winter because the atmosphere is very pleasant in winter. The summer is too hot here. What do the characters in the story prefer? The characters in the story prefer spring season. What could be the reason behind their choice? During spring, the trees blossom. The birds come and fly with happiness. Flowers come up through the green grass and everywhere the scene is lovely. This could be the reason behind their choice. The winter is very cold in that region. Good children. Now tell me things that you usually share with others and how you feel. I share my tiffin with others and I like it very much to eat together with friends. Many times I get to eat my favorite things even if I had brought something routine. How do you feel when you eat all by yourself? I feel bad and selfish when I eat all alone. How do you feel when you play in a team and you practice alone? Playing in a team is too much fun and practicing alone is very boring. How do you feel when you hear a piece of news and you tell the news to others? When I hear some news, I have my own reaction depending on the news. But when I tell the news to others, we discuss it and I understand all the aspects of the news. You read something nice, but don't tell others about it, and you tell interesting things you have read. When I read something nice and I don't tell others, my joy is limited. But when I read something which is very interesting and tell others about it, we all enjoy the story. How do you feel when you learn to make something new and you teach it to others? I feel very happy when I learn to make something new and I am happier when I teach it to others. So tell me about things which you share with others. I share many things with my friends, my siblings and my parents. For example, I share my books, pencils, pens, paints, opinions, excitement with my friends. I share my clothes, things, bed, toys, food with my siblings and my thoughts, sorrows, happiness with my parents. The things that I don't share with anyone are my toothbrush, my undergarments, and my favorite eatables. Well said, children.